Hello, planner lovelies. How are you guys? I'm doing good. And this week is September 3rd through the 9th. It's the beginning of school and a concert that I am super excited about. And we have this back to school kit from Formless Designs. So, let's go over the kit. This was one of her mystery kits. So, here are your full boxes, rounded half box page, quarter labels and decorative half boxes, ombre checklist, your functional page with some little boxes down here, weekend banner, a full page of deco, an extra full box, date covers and bottom washi, your date dots, glitter headers, and quarter labels. So I haven't been able to find Formless Designs since I bought from the sale. I don't know what's going on with her. I don't know if she's like in process of moving to an Etsy or off Etsy or what the deal is. But anyway, this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group. The links for all those wonderful peeps will be down below. And yeah, we are having a crazy busy week. Work has been insane. I haven't even finished filling out last week and I am embarrassed to show you. So it hasn't changed at all, I think, since I filmed. No, it's probably changed a little bit, but I'll update Instagram with it later. So we're gonna go ahead and plan this next week because there's actually some plans to put in here. So if you've been with me for a while, thank you for coming back. If you're new, welcome. I'm Amanda. It's nice to have you here. And let's jump into the video. So you know what that means? Here we go. it's really bare. I thought I had all these plans and fill all these things in, but I can't. So basically I brought in some scripty words from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. This is from Tassel Planner. The weekly box and pink habit tracker are from AB Organizing. And the payday, along with the violin and the little concert, or not concert, the music bar, are from Watercolor Blooms. So we have that concert Friday night, first day of school, pack your bags. We gotta do a little bit more school clothes shopping on the holiday. So I have most of the ombres left, a lot of this sheet, a ton of half boxes, one full box, nothing on this sheet, a ton of deco, and then appointment labels and one set of glitter headers. So this was an amazing kit to use, and I really like how it came out. Oh, this was from Sahili Designs. I missed that one. But yeah, that about wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will talk to you again real soon. Much love to all of you. Bye for now.